The Book of Psalms, chapter 50. Elohim, YAHUAH shall speak, and he shall call the earth from the rising of the sun to its going down. From Zion, the perfection of loveliness, Elohim shall shine forth. Our Elohim comes and is not silent. A fire consumes before him, and it shall be very stormy all around him. He calls to the heavens from above and to the earth to rightly rule his people. Gather my lovingly committed ones together before me, those who have made a covenant with me by slaughtering. Then the heavens declared his righteousness, for Elohim himself is judge. Selah. Hear, O my people, and I speak, O Yahshar'el, and I witness against you. I am Elohim, your Elohim. I do not reprove you for your slaughterings, and your ascending offerings are continually before me. I do not take a bull from your house, nor goats out of your pens. For every beast of the forest is mine, the cattle on 1,000 hills. I know all the birds of the mountains, and all moving in my field are mine. If I were hungry, I would not speak to you, for the world is mine, and all that fills it. Do I eat the flesh of bulls or drink the blood of goats? Slaughter thanksgiving to Elohim and pay your vows to the Most High, and call upon me in the day of distress. Let me rescue you, and you esteem me. But to the wrong, Elohim said, what right have you to recite my laws or take my covenant in your mouth, while you hated instruction and cast my words behind you? When you saw a thief, you were pleased with him, and you take part with adulterers. You let your mouth loose to evil, and your tongue frames deceit. You speak against your brother. You slander your own mother's son. You have done this, and I kept silent. You have thought that I was altogether like you. I rebuke you and set it in order before your eyes. Understand this, please, you who forget Elohim, lest I tear you in pieces with no one to deliver. Whoever slaughters praise esteems me, and to him who prepares a way, I show the deliverance of Elohim.